Welcome to your Apple Watch Series 11. Let's explore the essential features you should set up first. Before we begin, make sure your watch is fully charged. Now let's start with the first 25 must-do settings. Tip 1. Customize your watch face to match your style. Tap and hold the screen to enter edit mode. Tip 2. Add complications for quick access to key info. Select weather, heart rate, or activity rings. Tip 3. Turn on Always On display for quick glances. Go to Settings, Display, and Always On. Tip 4. Set activity goals that match your lifestyle. Open the Activity app and adjust your move goal. Tip 5. Enable fall detection for safety. Find it under Settings, SOS. Tip 6. Use the double tap gesture for quick control. Just tap your thumb and index finger together twice. Tip 7. Customize the control center shortcuts. Swipe up and tap Edit to rearrange icons. Tip 8. Set up sleep tracking for overnight insights. Enable sleep mode to reduce distractions. Tip 9. Use Siri for hands-free control. Just raise your wrist and speak your command. Tip 10. Turn on water lock before swimming. It protects your watch and ejects water afterwards. Tip 11. Customize the app dock for quick navigation. Choose favorites or recents. Tip 12. Silence your watch instantly. Cover the screen with your palm for 1 second. Tip 13. Use Backtrack when hiking. Your watch can guide you back if you get lost. Tip 14. Enable the Handwashing Timer for hygiene. Your watch automatically detects hand washing. Tip 15. Add Apple Pay for fast contactless payments. Double press the side button to use it. Tip 16. Use theater mode to avoid bright screens. This keeps your display dark and silent. Tip 17. Measure your blood oxygen anytime. It helps track your wellness. Tip 18. Create custom focus modes for work or sleep. Sync them with your iPhone automatically. Tip 19. Use the Workout app for accurate tracking. Choose from running, HIIT, swimming, and more. Tip 20. Set a custom haptic level. Choose strong feedback for outdoor use. Tip 21. Ping your iPhone if you misplace it. Tap the phone icon from Control Center. Tip 22. Use Find Devices to track your Apple products. Never lose your AirPods or iPhone again. Tip 23. Manage your notifications to reduce distractions. Turn off anything unnecessary. Tip 24. Install useful apps from the App Store. Enhance productivity, fitness, and music control. Tip 25. Try portrait photo watch faces for a 3D effect. Your photos gain depth on the display. Your Apple Watch Series 11 is now fully optimized. Explore it daily. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. Remember to keep your watch updated. Each update brings better performance and new features. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple Watch guides.